George, how about at DoD? So many activities going on over there. It's daunting for me to even get my head around 2 to 3 years from now. You guys are you're floating an aircraft carrier there, right? So what's that going to look like? Where do you think you'll be landing as far as, 2 to 3 years from now in your environment there?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to touch on cyber, but I wanted to envision the new cyber in 2 years. So what we're seeing is things like authority to operate and our reaction and are we secure transforming to have we built things secure? Is our supply chain secure? And then focusing on what we're calling continuous authority to operate, software factories that are handling the supply chain. So they're managing the containers and the commercial software that comes in, gets bundled together with the custom software, and we're building that process so that the end product is secure. So we're not saying, is the product secure? We're saying the factory is secure and the products that we're operating are secure. And that changes the whole way we go about operating because we are taking stuff that's secure and that's what we're using. We're not having that question after the fact, like, are we building secure? It's secure as it comes out of the factory. And I think that's going to transform the speed at which we operate and the ability to pull in new capability and ingest it right into the production environments. So continuous ATO, modifying supply chain to being the focus and not the end product.
Do you think the continuous, we always heard about ATO in a day, right?
Yeah,
And we all kind of smirk after we say it. Are we talking about a continuous ATO that sort of usurps that? That whole concept isn't even relevant anymore?
exactly. ATO should start on the day you start planning a system. And when it's out, that ATO has been baked in, the testing's been baked in, we've done all the scans on the pieces. So nobody has to come back and say, was it done correctly or is it going to be effective? That whole process is baked into how we build it. And I think that's how it's fast when it comes out secure. And that's the sort of the mindset we have to get to.
Right. And if you listen to the CISA director, right, she really has that mantra, secure by design. And I think we're getting to a point where we're really focusing on that and paying attention to it. And so hats off to you all